Hi, we're trading up, and today's conversation starter is Chainlink. What is it and what is it used for? I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I always encourage you to do your own research. Well, I've done a little research on Chainlink, and I want to share what I found with you. So let's talk about Chainlink, also known as Link. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects blockchains to real world data. Blockchains cannot directly access things like payments, weather data, price feeds, or off chain application programming interface, or APIs. APIs are a set of rules allowing different software like trading bots, apps, and analytic tools to communicate with crypto exchanges or blockchains to exchange data. So Chainlink acts as the bridge that securely brings this external information onto the blockchain. Link is the network's native token, and it's used to pay Oracle nodes for providing data and to secure the network through staking. So, how does Chainlink work? I've got a simple explanation. For example, smart contracts request data. And an example of that would be a DeFi app needs the price of the ETH USD pair. Then Chainlink gathers the real world data by using multiple independent Chainlink nodes. They fetch the data from trusted sources or APIs. Then Chainlink aggregates that data. It, it averages and verifies the data to avoid manipulation. Then data is delivered on chain. The verified information is fed to the smart contract. Then nodes get paid in Link. Node operators earn Link tokens for providing accurate, reliable data. So that's a simple explanation, a very simple explanation of how Chainlink works. What are some of the benefits or pros of Chainlink? One, it has the largest market share in decentralized oracles and is deeply integrated in decentralized finance. So it's a leading oracle solution. Also, blockchains cannot function in many real use cases without reliable off chain data. So Chainlink helps to provide essential infrastructure. Chainlink has strong partnerships. It's partnered with major blockchains, financial institutions, and Fortune 500 companies. Also, data is aggregated from multiple sources, reducing risks of manipulation. So it helps to provide security and reliability of data. And with Chainlink, there is also staking. Link staking provides rewards and incentives for correct node behavior. So there are many benefits of using Chainlink. So let's talk about what may be considered a con or a few cons of Chainlink. And one is that Chainlink is an Oracle network. It's not a smart contract platform, so some may misunderstand or undervalue its role because it's not a traditional blockchain. Also, while improving, the network still depends on a smaller set of high quality Oracle nodes versus fully open participation. So, node centralization may be a concern for some. So, Chainlink has a few things that might be considered cons for Chainlink, but there are not many. So, Chainlink makes blockchains useful and powerful by enabling smart contracts to interact with the real world. So, Chainlink has many real world use cases. Let's talk a little bit about what Chainlink is used for. Real world asset tokenization. Chainlink helps institutions connect their systems to blockchain to tokenize bonds, currencies, assets, and treasuries. Also, Chainlink has major enterprise and institutional adoption. Major institutions are using or testing Chainlink services. Some of those institutions include SWIFT, the DTCC, or the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. The Depository Trust Clearing Corporation is a major financial institution which provides clearing, settlement, and custody for securities. Also, Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services. So, Chainlink acts as the middleware connecting Web 2 and Web 3. Also, Chainlink provides price feeds in decentralized finance. And Chainlink also, with its cross-chain interoperability protocol, allows various tokens and messages to move between different blockchains. So Chainlink has major utility, major real-world utility. So I hope that this information helps you to understand and to see that there are some really great and sufficient use cases for Chainlink, and it really does have a lot of real world utility. This is not financial advice. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do hope that this information helps you to be prepared as you evaluate cryptocurrencies and the whole crypto space. So until next time, take care.